Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Pratyusha Bhattacharjee. This is my first video on YouTube. I actually did not know what to do for my intro video, so I decided to merge with another idea. Most of you guys who follow me on Instagram have been asking me, how do I click my self-portraits at home? Now if you're not following me on Instagram, then make sure to follow me. The link is in the description. So in order to click such self-portraits at home, you actually need to keep certain things in mind. And to be honest, every time when I go outside with my friends, family, the pictures I click turn out to be so bad that I cannot even upload on any of the social media accounts. So basically the pictures that I have uploaded or the posts that I have are those which are clicked by me at my place, either by creating backgrounds at my home or just by going to my terrace and finding random places where I can click my pictures. So now there are few things that you need to keep in mind while clicking such pictures at home. First, the attire. Make sure you have a good attire on. By good, I don't mean something out of the box or very expensive, but something that is well coordinated. A jeans and a top can also do if it is well coordinated. Second, make sure to put on some makeup. If you're not a makeup person, then make sure that your hair is in a way that it attracts the camera, or make sure you have something on that you can play with while clicking such pictures. Third, make sure to have a tripod. If you don't have a tripod like me, then make sure to just, how many times did I say make sure? Anyways, so if you don't have a tripod like me, then just gather random objects and pile them so that you can keep your phone, and just the way I'm doing it right now, I'll show you how to do it. Fourth, make sure I'm saying press like for how many times I have said make sure, please. Okay, so fourth, there should be a proper background. Please make sure that there is the proper background, because if you don't have a proper background, then the pictures really don't turn out to be that good. So make sure that you have a proper background. And fifth, just you need to have a camera or a proper phone. I click pictures, or I use phone for clicking my pictures. That's it. This is the outfit I'm going to wear. Normal top and a jeans. That's it. As I said, it needs to be well coordinated and it should go with every background. Okay, so I think white goes with everything, as you all know. So I'm just wearing a plain white top and a jeans. Okay, second point was makeup, and I think I am good to go because that's all I use. I use a kajal and lipstick. That's it. And if my voice sounds weird, then please excuse that as well. I don't know why that's happening. So that's it. Now I'll show you how to create a background and how I keep my phone at an angle. Okay? So for background, what I do is I take my mom's random sari, which is a one plain color, and then I take two chairs and then I put it on top of it. Okay, so I'll show you that in a bit how I do that. And for tripod, which I said I don't have a tripod, so what I do is I take random objects and then I put my phone on top of it. Okay, so here it is the thing, and then I'll put my phone here. Okay, this is where I keep my brushes and my makeup brushes, and this is just a random bottle. Okay, so that's it, and I'll keep my phone here and then while clicking the pictures. Okay, so that's it. Now let me show you how I create the background. So what I do is I see where is the plain part. Okay, so that I can make the background, and then I take two chairs, I keep it side by side, and I see where's the plain part. So obviously it's not the plain part. So that's my background. Okay, and I'm going to click pictures on this, and then I'll show you how the pictures came. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna click some pictures right now. And my mom and my mom is spying on me. Jao. One more thing I forgot to mention is that whenever I click pictures, I use the natural lighting. I don't have any ring light or anything such, so I use the natural lighting to click my pictures, and I feel I'll not get good pictures today because it's gonna rain. It's going to rain, so I'll try my best to get as many pictures as I can, but I don't think so I'll get good pictures today. Still, let's see. And again, sorry for the background noises because my dad is watching news and it's going to rain also, so I'm so sorry for the background noises. But yeah, that's it. So let's get started and let's get clicked finally. Okay guys, I'm done clicking pictures. There has been many pictures that I have clicked, so I'm done clicking pictures. So I'll edit it and I'll put it up. So I'll just show it right now what all I have got, and let's see. That's it for today guys. I hope you guys have liked my video. If you guys have liked my idea and my effort, make sure to hit the like button, and if you're new to this channel, obviously which you are, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and join the family. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that every time I post you get notified. Most importantly, don't forget to comment down below what else you guys want to watch from me. I'm always there for entertaining you guys, and that's it. See you in the next video. Bye.